The cultivation theory states that those who watch large amounts of television will be more susceptible to media compared to those who watch small amounts of television. The theory argues that media generally presents an image of the world that does not reflect reality. Television images are an exaggeration or fantasy of what actually exists. There is a disproportionate number of handsome gentlemen, beautiful women, crime, wealth, and violence. As a result, people end up perceiving the real world in a distorted manner and viewing actuality through a television perspective. The violence portrayed on television is often glamorized to such a degree that audience perceives it to be fact in everyday life. Though analysis shows that over half of television characters are involved in violent activity of some kind each week, studies show that less than 1% of Americans are actually victims to violent crimes. However, heavy television watchers are generally more suspicious of the world around them. This brings us to Gerbner's mean world syndrome. In a nutshell, heavy viewing of television and the associated violence leads the viewer to believe that the world is a much more dangerous place than it actually is. With a serial killer, rapist, or pedophile lurking around every corner. Because television occupies a central role in our culture, it is one of the most influential forms of media. Some may say television does not reflect reality, but rather builds an alternate reality. This theory does not stop at television, but is extended through other types of media like music and video games. For example, playing slow and emotional music can affect the way that you feel, just like playing a first-person shooter could make you more aggressive. Not everyone is cultivated by TV, and those who watch very little TV are not affected at all. So next time you go to watch television, remember the impact that it has on your personality and the way that you perceive the people around you.